Oh hi, Scott Brown here. You've caught me hanging a door with my newfound headlamp on. We've had power cuts here in Auckland, so here at Scott Brown Carpentry, we're always prepared. Whole bunch of doors to hang. Look at them all. They're all panel doors, obviously. Look very nice. These are all the internal doors. We're also going to be putting on the front door and the back door, which has a glazed panel. So we're looking at a whole house of doors. Cupboard doors. Doors here. More cupboard doors. So there are a lot of doors to put on here. We're just going to get on with it. Most of the work is just checking in hinges into the doors because the doors are brand new and they just haven't had that done yet. But if you look at the jamb here, the place where the hinges used to be is still checked in. So the key is putting the door in place and then marking where that checkout location is. And Pato here is working on a jig for the hinge holes. How's the jig going, mate?
It's good, it's good. It's gonna work.
You don't look too confident now.
Bro, I'm just cash, bro.
One door done, 33 to go. Chef Pato here is a seasoned Michelin chef. As you can see, here's his lunchbox. Very important item in the chef repertoire. So Chef Pato, what's the secret to your success?
YouTube. Just YouTube recipes.
The power has come back on here, so we're all good. But you know, when you're in a cupboard trying to hang a door, you know, you're trying to mark something on the inside, this is very handy. So we've been hanging all these doors here. How's this door going there, Pato?
Chiseling the Lego for the hinge.
Oh, very nice. All these doors here. Bathroom door. Laundry door. And bedroom, cupboard. It's been going well so far. We've had to label all these doors here because they came unlabeled, so it was a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. But it's been all good, we've figured it out. These are all the cupboard doors. So plenty more work to do. So yeah, we've probably got a few more days here. Sort all that stuff out. We have to actually make a sliding door. Heaps of work to do. Hey guys.